Guangzhou Chaoxian Packing Machine Co., Limited is a packing machine factory which, combined with designing, manufacturing and exploiting new products, is a scientific and technological company with independent intellectual property. Our factory is mainly focused on machines research and development, manufacturing and after-sales service. We can provide the best quality and performance different kinds of packing machine to you. Besides, sales service from our factory is highly evaluated by different customers from all over the world. Our machines are widely applied to medicine, food, daily chemical and cosmetic industry. In addition to standard models packing machines, our machines also can be designed based on your requirements. Our factory's machines are high quality, great running performance, and good price, which have helped us earn a high praise by our customers. We are always treating the quality of the machine as our factory's life, the service as the soul. And we put the satisfaction of the customers as the only standard for our factory.
Automatic servo motor piston filling machine. Automatic equal liquid level filling machine. Automatic screw capping machine. Automatic sticker labeling machine. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.